Hello, today we will guide you through how to upload tax documents to H&R Block. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to H&R Block's website. From there, navigate to the DIY main menu. If you're prompted to sign in, enter your account credentials to access your dashboard. On the left-hand navigation, look for the My Block section and select it. This takes you to your personal hub, where you can securely manage your tax information and share documents with your preparer or attach them to your return. Once you're in My Block, find and click the Documents option. This is the central place where you'll upload, store, and organize files like W-2s, 1099s, mortgage interest statements, and receipts. Take a moment to gather the files you plan to upload so everything is ready. Clear, legible files make the process smoother. PDF, JPG, and PNG formats usually work best, and avoiding blurry photos will save time later. On the Documents page, you'll see an area where you can drag and drop files directly from your computer. If your files are already saved and named clearly, something like 2025 due to employer, simply click and drag them into that box. You'll see a quick progress indicator while the upload completes. If dragging and dropping isn't convenient, choose the Add button instead. This opens your file picker so you can browse to the correct folder, select the document you want, and confirm. After your file is selected, you'll be prompted to enter details. Provide the document type, the tax year it applies to, and a short description that helps you recognize it later. Keep descriptions concise and informative, and avoid typing sensitive personal data into the description field. Accurate details make it easier to locate documents during preparation and reduce back and forth during review. When everything looks correct, click Submit to complete the upload. Give it a moment to process. You should now see your document listed in the Documents area with its file name and details. If you have more files, repeat the same process. Either drag and drop them in, or use the Add button, fill in the details, and submit. Consistency helps. Use clear file names and assign the correct year and category each time. That's all there is to it. You've successfully uploaded your tax documents to H&R Block. Keeping your files well labeled and easy to read will help ensure a smoother, faster tax experience. Thanks for watching, and feel free to return to the Documents section whenever you're ready to add more.